I'm starting other question. You send it, Sazia. I'll be taking that question after this one. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the next question we are having, which definitely we need to discuss over here. Don't see this sin x and cos x. This is the figure we have.
Ma'am, today only 1 hour class, right?
So here we are having triangle ABC is an, it's written that, it's given that,
Isosceles.
yes, it's given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And yes, Sazia, once you are done with sending no, please let me know so that I can ask from my team. Triangle
Okay.
ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB side and AC sides are equal. And in this particular chapter, we are seeing that whenever we will be talking about isosceles triangle, where two sides are given same, like by ourselves we can take two angles same. And when two angles same will be given, by ourselves we'll be taking two sides same. Opposite side will be same. So once we can see these two sides are same, then we can say that this angle and this angle will be same. Okay. So this, the question is given that it's an isosceles triangle where AB and AC are equal, but we can say that we understand from here we are having this is here in on the left side. I'm writing all the data whatever we are having in hand apart from whatever is given in the question. Okay, so from here we can write for now that angle ABC is equals to angle ACB by isosceles triangle property, since it is given that AB is equals to AC. From there, just now we saw that AB is equals to AC is given. Okay, let's write it quickly. Angle B and angle C will be equal. Okay, now let's see what else is given in the question. Side BA is reduced to D such that AD is equals to AB. Okay, show that angle BCD is right angle. See, we have to show that angle BCD, it's a right angle, it's a 90 degree. That's what we have to show over here. How will be showing? So let's do it quickly. So angle here, it's given that side AB and AC are equal, and it is also given that AD and AB are equal. Now see these two boxes carefully. AB is equals to AC and AD is equals to AB. So can we say AB, AC, AD all are equal with each other? From this two rectangular box, can we say that AB, AC, AD all are equal with each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can say that. Okay. So AB side is equals to AC side, and AD side, AD, where is AD? This is AD. AD side is equals to AB side. So we can say that all these three sides are just equal with each other. Now here we have written, and it is given that AB is equals to AC. So hence angle B and angle C are same. Now we can focus on this triangle also. Once we are saying that, we can focus on this triangle also. This black colored triangle. And this is also, it looks like it's an isosceles triangle where two sides are same, right? So here let's write the explanation. It is given that given AB is equals to AC, and it is also given that, AD is equals to AB. Therefore we can write by ourselves that all these three sides AB, AD, AC, all are equal with each other. And from there we realize that triangle ADC is an isosceles triangle where two sides AC and AD are equal. Where these two sides AC and AD, this two side ADAC, these two sides are equal. Hence, two angle will be same. Which two angle will be same? Who will say? Which two
ADC,
angle? Yes,
APC,
ADC and
And
ACD. This angle and this angle. Is it so? Is it so?
yes, ma'am.
Opposite to this one, this angle opposite to that one, that angle. So yes, this two angle will be equal with each other, which we have marked over here. Now let's say ADC is equals to AC. Let's say these two angle are nothing but just y. Let's assume that. Okay? And the angle which we have written at first, same. Let's say that is x. We are assuming that x. Okay. Let's say this is x and this is x. Let's say this purple one, this is y and this is y. Now let's focus on triangle BCD. BCD. If we will add like by angle sum property of a triangle, we can say that all the angle added together will be 180 degree. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can we say by angle sum property angle x plus y plus y all together it will be 180 degree by angle sum property in which triangle? In triangle AC, in triangle BCD. Can you see it? This angle,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
complete angle and this angle, the sum of all is 180 degree. From here, if you will look at the pattern, if you will look at it closely, this one, if you will look at it closely, can you see it is nothing but 2x plus 2y, that is 180 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? Can you see it is 2x plus 2y, that is 180 degree? And therefore, from here can we say that x plus y is 90 degree? Can we? By
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
common and shifting it to other side, x plus y is 90 degree, and that's what we have to prove. See, show that BCD is the right angle. BCD is the right angle.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Yes, I'm explaining it again. I'm explaining it again. Okay, here it is given that we are having a triangle. Okay, the names are A, B, C, D. It is given in the question that this side AB and side AC are equal. Okay, and it is also given in the question that side AB and side AD are equal. So we are saying that AB is equals to AC. That is given already. I am not writing. Okay, open the book, see the question. Okay, and it is also given that AB is equals to AD. So if AB and AC are same, AB and AD are same, all three are equal with each other, AB, AC, AD. Or we can say from this two, can we say AC and AD must be same with each other? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We realize
Yes,
that
ma'am.
this side and this side are also equal with each other. Previously, it is given that AB and AC are same, hence this angle and this angle will be equal by isosceles triangle property, right? Let's take this angle as a x, this angle as x. Both will be same. You call it xx, you call it yy, you call it angle 1, angle 1, you call it anything. Just both are same. That much we call it anything. So we are calling it x1. Similarly, AD and AC are equal, and here we are having a triangle also. So there also we can use the isosceles triangle property. AD and AC are equal and it's a triangle also. So this is also an isosceles triangle. Okay, where sides are equal, then opposite to those sides angle will be same. So this angle and this angle, this two angle will be same. Now if these two angle are same, we can call it y, we can call it z, we can call it 1, we can call it 2, we can call it anything. So let's call it y. Why we are doing this all? We have to show here angle BCD is equals to 90 degree. This is what we have to prove here. Okay. So now you will
Yes,
be able
ma'am.
to prove that if we will be taking the complete triangle BCD, angle some property says angle B plus angle C plus angle D. However, we will not be writing the name of the angle like this. We will be writing angle B in a proper way, that is DBC. Then angle C, we will be writing the specific name of angle C, that is BCD. Now angle D, we will be writing the particular name of angle D, that is CDB. Okay, that is how we will be writing the name of the angle. That is equals to 180 degree angle some property. Okay. Now B means what? We have already named B as a x. C means what? C means x plus y. Yes or no? C means x plus y. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And angle D means only y. All added together is 180 degree. Now let's do a little bit of simplification. Forget about everything and let's focus on doing the simplification. So if we will open the bracket, it will be 2x plus 2y. That is equals to 180. If we will take out 2 common, it will be x plus y. That is equals to 180. If we will transpose this 2 to other side, it will go in the denominator of 180 and x plus y will be remaining. And hence x plus y is coming out as a 90 degree. Now what to do? What we have to prove? We have to prove that angle BCD, see, angle C is 90 degree. That's what we have to prove. And C is what? X plus y. Just now we have got x plus y is 90 degrees. So we can say therefore angle BCD, this x plus y is nothing but BCD, that is 90 degree. We are done with the proof. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how we will be
Yes, ma'am.
proving it. See, these are the whole process and this is how you have to prove it. Yes, Sazia, have you sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask from me. Yes, I got it. In figure, PQRS is a square and SRT is an equilateral triangle. Let me take it. See, this is a new question and you all are having an opportunity to think about it. Okay? Because in exam, you are not going to get the question exactly as it is from the book. Yes, concept will be same. Okay, but the question here and there you will be getting the changes. And you should know how to think about when we are having a new question, like how to give it a try and how to approach. So let's do it. It's just join over. And this is also just join at this vertex B. And this is the vertex D. X and R. Let me write everything whatever is given along with the question. So in figure PQRS is a square and SRT is an equilateral triangle. Number 1, prove that PT is equals to QT. Number 2, angle TQR is 15 degree. This is the exact question. Yeah, I have written it. Let's try doing it. In this figure, PQRS, you can see it's a square. Okay, this PQRS is a square. So if this PQRS is a square, then all the side PQRS is a square. Okay, this is how we will approach the question. I don't know how to solve it. Okay, even I don't know how to solve it, but let's try it. Okay, so PQRS is a square. If it's a square, then one thing is coming in our mind, that PS, SR, RQ, PQ all will be of same length. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So all will be of same length. This much we are getting from home. Now here it is written that SRT is an equilateral triangle. So let's say all are of same length. Let's say all are x cube. So this is x centimeter, this is x centimeter, this is x centimeter, and this is also x centimeter. Okay. Now it is given that SRT, since SRT is an equilateral triangle, which is given along with the question. It's an equilateral triangle. SRT, focus on SRT. So we can say that if it's an equilateral triangle, that means all the lateral means side, all the side will be of equal length. That means SR is equals to TR is equals to ST. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But SR is X we have taken. So here also all are X. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that PT is equals to QT. These two sides we have to prove same.
An equilateral triangle are 60 degree, right, ma'am? Every degree, angle.
Yes, in equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degree. Yes, one more information came out. Let's mark it. We also understand this is an equilateral triangle SRT. So this much is 60 degree. This much is 60 degree. This much is 60 degree. One more information came in hand. Okay. Now, now we have to prove that PT and QT are of same length. This PT and QT are of same length. Okay, let's see how is that possible. Is that even possible or not? So
Ma'am, we can say like this an isosceles triangle
which is an isosceles triangle?
with triangle TPQ.
It's an isosceles triangle. Is it so? Is it so? This is an isosceles triangle. To me it looks like this one. This one is an isosceles triangle. For now I can see this is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because of this x and this x. Yes or no?
Oh,
Yes,
so
yes, ma'am.
Right? And due to this x, I can say this angle and this angle are equal. Right? Right? Let's say these two are
yes,
angle 1
ma'am.
and angle 1. Just I am keeping everything in the figure only. Let's try to analyze that whether this approach will work or not. And for now, it looks like this is also an isosceles triangle. where this is x and this is x. So the opposite angle, this angle and this angle will be equal, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's say this is angle 2. Just a second. Angle 2, angle. Now, one thing I can notice over here, that since it was a square initially, so this complete angle was 90 degree, right?
Ma'am, should we add 60 plus 90 to get the degree of S, angle S?
Where is angle S? Here. Yes, yes, this is 90 degree and this is 60 degree. Initially only we have discussed it. I'll be summarizing everything, okay? If you are not getting, don't worry. I'll be summarizing everything. Here at first we are figuring it out which way it will go. So 90 plus 60, this complete angle is 150 degree, right? And we are saying this is angle 1, that is angle 1. That means we will be able to find the value for angle 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, if this complete is 150 degree, then angle 1 in a triangle, if I'm explaining it. For now, let me write it. If this complete is 150 degree, then 60, 70, 80, 30 is 30 degrees left. That means this is 15 degree and this is also 15 degree. Okay. Now this complete was 90 degree. That much is 15 degree. So this much we will be able to find. 90 minus 15, that means 75.
can you explain once again?
I'm explaining. I'm coming to like each and every step by step. I'll be explaining. Let me check over here also. Here also it's same. Here also it's same. That is 90 plus 60. So this is also 15. This is also 15. Here also it is 75 degree. Hence this two are same. Yeah. Let me explain with the figure. At first it is given that PQRS is a square. So this is x, this is x, this is x, and this is x. Okay, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. Now it is given that STR is an equilateral triangle. I will scroll up so that you can note down the question. Now it is given that STR is an equilateral triangle. STR. So this is x. This already we have written as a x. So other side STR, it will be x and x. Okay. This much information we are having in hand. We have to show at first that PT is equals to TQ. Now these two sides we have to show same. Then let's focus on making these two opposite angles same. But how? How we'll be doing so? So at first, STR, triangle STR is an equilateral triangle. That means this complete angle, it's 60 degree. This complete angle, it's 60 degree. This complete angle, it's 60 degree. So far, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here we realize that we are getting two triangles, which is an isosceles triangle, and we are talking about this triangle. This triangle and the other side, the same triangle. If you will focus on this triangle, if you will focus on this triangle, you will find that it is something like this. Where we are saying this complete angle is 90 plus 60. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That means 150. And we are saying that this side is x, that side is x, so opposite angle will be same, this angle and this angle will be same. And by angle sum property of a triangle, if we have named it angle 1, angle 1, by angle sum property of a triangle, angle 1 plus angle 1 plus 50 150 degree is equals to 180 degree. So from here, what are we going to get? Angle 1, please tell me. 2 times angle 1 plus 150 degree is equals to 180 degree. 2 times angle 1 is equals to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. Angle 1 will be, angle 1 will be, angle 1 will be
15 degree.
15 degree. So here, instead of 1, now I am going to write this is 15 degree. And that is also 15 degree. Is it crystal clear so far to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am writing over here this much and this much. This is 15 degree and that is also 15 degree. And similarly, exactly same scenario you are going to get on the other side, because focus the same triangle you are getting over here, 90 plus 60, that means 150 degree, and here also x and x is there, that means this angle and this angle will be same. So directly can we say this is 15 degree and this is 15 degree, again by angle sum property? Can we? Can we? Can
Yes,
we?
ma'am.
Yes, everyone getting it? I'm going to write over here. This black
Yes,
colored
ma'am.
angle is 15 degree. Okay, and this black colored angle, this is also 15 degree. Okay. Now what? Now we have to prove that PT is equals to TQ, and you see that we are done. We are done. See, if that is 15, so this much part will be 90 minus 15. Yes or no? That is 75
Yes,
Yes,
degree.
ma'am.
ma'am.
And this much part will also be 90 minus 15. That means 75 degree. And if these two angles are same, then opposite to this two angle, whatever sides are there, those sides will also be equal. Yes or no? If this angle and this angle is same by isosceles triangle property, can we say that this side and this side are equal? Can we? Can we say? Can we say
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is how you have to approach any question. See, I even never ever have seen this question. This is not there in NCRT. Maybe it's there in other book. So this is how we will be trying. Whatever data is given, we will be collecting related to that. Whatever you know, just try writing it. If angle makes you confused, then try taking X, Y, Z, so that you will have a clarity. What is given? What information we are having in hand? How can we use it? Okay. Now this is the first part, and we are done with the proof of the first part. Okay, PT is equals to TQ. Why? Because angle P over here, angle TPQ, we have proved successfully that angle TPQ. If you want me to write the steps, I'll be writing the steps, or you will be able to write the steps by yourself.
Ma'am, we can write it.
Angle TPQ is equals to angle TQP. If these two angles are same, hence PTTQ. Now the other part is given as proof that TQR, T Q R is 15 degree. Due to that only we have got this as an isosceles triangle. CTQR, CTQR, TQR, that is 15 degree. Already we are having that information in hand. Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
no.
let's continue. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Something which we already know, something which we have used till now, we have to prove that.
Ma'am, angle sum property is 180 and all sides of equilateral triangle are equal. So 180 divided by 3 will be 60.
Yes, that we can take, but how we know all three angles are equal? The way when we were doing the proof of isosceles triangle, then I said to you, you just know that two sides are same, and you were proving over there two angles are same. And in the next proof, I told you that just keep in mind that there is a triangle where two angle are given same. Apart from that, we don't know anything. Two angles are given same, and then we have proved over there that two sides will also be same over here, right? So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this equilateral triangle, what does that mean? Equilateral means for now we only know that there is a triangle whose all three sides are same. That's it. That's it. About angle and all, we don't know anything. All three
Can we
angles,
take 3x?
3x with what?
3x
We are having,
equals to 180.
again, that means we are taking angles same. Yes or no? Yes or no? That can be one of the possible approach. It is not completely wrong. Okay, we can use whatever you are saying. We can say that all three angle will be same, added together will of course will give 60 degree. Yes, this approach will also work, but however, since we are doing isosceles triangle properties and everything in this exercise, we are free to use the property of isosceles triangle. And for equilateral triangle, for now we just know that side AB, side BC, and side AC are equal. Just this much we know about this triangle, nothing else. Okay, so let's use the property of isosceles triangle, because in each and every question we have used the property of isosceles triangle. So here also let's see whether it is possible or not. The property like of isosceles triangle, whether it is possible to use it or not. So we just know ABC is an equilateral triangle where ABBCAC are equal. And what we want to do, 60 degree each we want to prove. Each of the angle is 60 degree. So let's take, since for now I'm going to take AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to BC in triangle ABC. AB is equals to BC. Then which two angle will be same? Which two angle will be same? By isosceles triangle property, which two angle will be same?
Angle C and angle B.
Angle C and angle B. We'll be writing over here. Since these two sides are equal, then opposite to these two sides, whatever angle is there, that is angle A, angle BAC is equals to angle BCA. These two angle will also be equal. By isosceles triangle property we are free to use, because both the proof we have done and then we entered in this exercise. However, when the same question come in exam, okay, let's finish it. I will be summarizing it. So by isosceles triangle property, we are saying it. Now what we will do, we will use the other two sides also. That BC and AC are also equal. BC and AC are also equal. So now side BC is equals to side AC again in triangle ABC. See, where is BC? Where is BC? This was B. Okay, so BC and AC, these two sides are also equal. And forget about the previous scenario. If these two sides are equal, then by isosceles triangle property, what can we say? What can we say? Angle, angle
Angles
B,
will be equal, opposite angles will be equal. So B and A
B
will
and
be
A.
equal.
Okay, so angle ABC is equals to angle BAC. But now only we said that BAC is equals to BCA. Now we are saying that BAC is equals to ABC. That means all three angles are equal with each other. Yes or no? From 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, can we say angle
Yes.
BAC, angle BCA, angle ABC, all are just equal with each other. Okay, here we will be writing from 1 and 2. And if all are equal with each other, now we can use the angle sum property. So please do this extra step which I am showing it to you. Okay, now in triangle ABC, now in triangle ABC, the complete triangle, sum of all interior angle, that means sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C, all added together, angle A, angle B, angle C, all added together is 180 degree angle sum property. But all are equal with each other. Okay, here you can say X, let's say all are equal with each other. So we can say this is also X, this is also X, this is also X, all added together is 180 degree. Okay, 3X is 180 degree and therefore X is 60 degree. So each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. We have proved it. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At first, we use the concept of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, we know. We have done the proof and we know. If sides are same, automatically we can take angle same. If angle are same, automatically we can take sides same. So this much liberty we are having to take. Okay. However, this question was about equilateral triangle. So we just know that three sides are same and nothing else. With the help of isosceles triangle property, we have taken two sides at a time and then we are saying that all the three angles are equal with each other. And then we are using angle sum property to show that each interior angle of this triangle is of 60 degree. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Ma'am.
Farhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue
Ma'am, can you show the top?
the top one. At first, this is what we have done. Since AB is equals to BC in triangle ABC, this is what we can write by isosceles triangle property equation. Now BC is equals to AC in triangle ABC. Then this two angle will be same again by isosceles triangle property equation. Once you are done till here, please let me know.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am,
Now let's do few more questions which is completely based on the concept of congruency. So all the rule I have introduced in the like all at once, and we have solved the question. Now few more questions are there which is completely based on the concept of congruency and the isosceles triangle property also we will use. So let me draw the figure. Are you practicing by yourself? Yes, all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
students.
Yes, ma'am.
Saskia, Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas, Irshad,
Yes, ma'am.
Farhan,
All the questions.
Ritwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
It seems like when I am explaining the question, you will feel like, oh yeah, you are getting it. But until or unless you are not going to do it, you will not realize exactly you are getting or not. Okay? The subject maths is all about practice. If you are practicing, you will find that you will feel more confident, and whatever question you will pick, you will be able to do it starting from starting to finish. You will be able to do. But if you are not practicing, if you are just understanding that, then it's of no use at all. Okay, you will start the question, but you will not be able to finish it. Let me tell you, if you have not practiced it. Whatever information is given along with the question I am showing over here, so that now we can focus on solving, focus on proving whatever we are supposed to prove over. On the same base, BC and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended, you can see AD is extended to intersect BC at B, show that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle AC. Triangle ABB is congruent with triangle AC. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3. AP bisect angle A as well as angle B. And part 4 is AP is perpendicular bisector. Bisector of BC. Let's focus on the first part for now. Okay, what information we are having in hand and what we are supposed to prove. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles.
Ma'am,
Yes,
which question is this in the exercise?
it's not there. The third exercise, the last
Okay.
exercise, the first question.
7.3.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, AD is a common side.
See, we have to focus on this one at first. ABD and ACD. Proving the congruency of ABD, ACD. Okay. What information we are having in hand? Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangle. ABC and DBC are isosceles triangle where which sides are same? Read
And
it.
BD and DC.
Okay. Is it given BD and DC are same?
Yes, ma'am.
Here. Isosceles triangle on the same base BC. On the same base BC. Vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. Vertices A and D, the point A, point D, vertex A, vertex D are on the same side of BC. That means B on the upper side of BC we are having a vertex A and vertex D. That's what is given over here. If AD is extended to intersect AD, this AD line is it is extended so that it is intersecting BC at P. That's what is written. But this two isosceles triangle, which two sides are same, it is not given. See, ABC and TBC are two isosceles. Can you see two isosceles triangle? In this two isosceles triangle, which sides are same, it is not given. So by default, the sides in general we take two opposite side, one on the left, another on the right. These two sides always we take as a same. Here also we take. If ABC is an isosceles triangle, then this side and this side, let's take this two same. Okay. And if BDC, this is an isosceles triangle. Yes, Sazia. Even if it is not given, we will be taking this side and this side. Is it clear to everyone that ABC is isosceles triangle? We have taken two sides same. TBC isosceles triangle, we have taken two sides same. Okay. What we need to do, written in the question, the first part, ABD triangle and ACD triangle. So let's write. We are going to talk about now triangle ABD and ACD. Okay, if you can see the triangle, great. If you can't, I will highlight it. We are going to talk about triangle ABD and triangle ACD. This is ABD and the other one is ACD. Now here we can see that side AB and side AC are equal. Why? Because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given already. Now we can write that BD and DC, these two are also same. BD from here and DC from there. Again, triangle DBC is an isosceles triangle. It is given. Yes or no? So far,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
confusion?
No, ma'am.
What else is same? That is
Ma'am,
this
AD is the common side.
AD is the common side, and by side congruency rule, can we say that this triangle are congruent?
Yes.
We can see
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Okay, we can see that. We are done with the first part. By side congruency, all the sides I have written. Now, whatever I am saying, listen to me. I am not going to write it. I am saying it. By side congruency rule criteria, by side congruency criteria, triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to show that triangle ABP and triangle ACP, these two are also congruent. ABP, ACP. ABP, AB side and AC side are equal, isosceles triangle. Okay, AP is common side. And what else? What else? It was isosceles triangle. So to angle also we could have taken same this angle and that angle. But will that help? Will that help? So AB, then angle B, and then AP. No, it is not helping. Why it is not helping? See, take this side, if you will take this side, and if you will take this angle. Is there any rule like this? Is there any rule like
No,
this?
ma'am.
SSC? So this rule is not working. This is not a congruency criteria. So isosceles triangle angle same is not helping us. It's not helping to prove the congruency. Then what will help? Then what will help? Maybe previous part, whatever we have done the proof from there something. From there we can say this angle A over here is angle A over there. How? From this triangle and this triangle. Can we say since ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, that means angle A in both the triangle, that means angle A over here and angle A over there will be equal, which is coming in our triangle. Okay, the same angle is sitting in triangle B, this ABP also, and the same angle A is present in this triangle also. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Previously, we have taken this much of triangle and we found that angle A over there is equal to angle A over there. Now we are taking the complete triangle. Now we are taking the complete triangle. So we can see the sky angle is there in this orange color triangle. The sky angle is there. Yes or no?
Yes.
So previous part proof we are using by CPCT we are writing that angles are equal. Now will it help? Yes, you can see it is going to help. Side angle side. Can you see? Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so these two triangle are congruent by side angle side. The remaining part I am leaving for you. Think about it, prove it. If you can't, I'll finish it in the next class. So far, is it crystal clear to